Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about teeth whitening with baking soda. Teeth whitening is a very popular cosmetic dentistry procedure that can help people achieve a brighter smile and boost their confidence. It's also important to make sure you take care of your teeth and keep them healthy in order to have the best results from any whitening treatment. I have extensively researched the teeth whitening from multiple sources in order to provide a comprehensive list for you. Baking soda is one of the most commonly used methods for teeth whitening due to its ability to remove surface stains caused by coffee, tea, red wine, smoking, or other sources of discoloration. Baking soda works by gently abrading away the outer layers of enamel on your teeth and removing these surface stains so that they are no longer visible. When using baking soda for tooth whitening, it's important not to overuse it, as this could damage your enamel or cause sensitivity in your teeth if used too often. The NHS website recommends mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and then applying this paste directly onto your toothbrush before brushing for 2 minutes twice daily as part of your normal brushing routine. However, it may be beneficial to limit use depending on individual needs, as excessive use can lead to sensitivity or other unwanted side effects. The Mayo Clinic website also suggests using half a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide as another formulating method when using baking soda for tooth whitening, which should be left on the teeth up to 5 minutes before being rinsed off. However, they do advise caution when using hydrogen peroxide due to its potential side effects, such as gum irritation, so please consult with a dentist prior making any decisions about whether or not this option is right for you. Please remember though, always check instructions label prior use, since different brands have different guidelines and requirements. And as always, please consult with a dentist prior making any decisions and using baking soda. In conclusion, whether you choose plain old baking soda or mixed water-hydrogen peroxide combination, both methods are effective way to achieve brighter, whiter smile without having resort costly, expensive treatments dentists offer. Just make sure to follow instructions carefully to ensure maximum benefit and minimal risk. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.